Hello, Internet, and welcome to Look at That Culture, where we look at your favorite cultures all the time. And today's topic, we're exploring Big Bird. It's been 2 years since I've made the first Look at That Culture episode, and thank you guys for 2 years of Look at That Culture. Related to Kermit the Frog, Barney the Dinosaur, Elmo, and Cookie Monster, today we're talking about Big Bird. Yep, the yellow bird that we seen on Sesame Street. The 6-year-old Big Bird started out as a big puppet bird played by Carol Spinney, who died in 2019. Big Bird is one of the most popular Sesame Street characters of all time besides Cookie Monster and Elmo. He's been in his prime since 1969. The first episode of Sesame Street was aired November 10th, 1969. Some people show the mechanism of Big Bird, even though we already know he's a puppet. Yeah. Big Bird's best friend is Snuffleupagus, even though we don't see him often as Big Bird, because he's not really that popular anymore. Sesame Street also made toys of Big Bird, just like how they did with Elmo and Cookie Monster, even Oscar the Grouch, plushies, bath toys, etc., etc. But no matter what you choose, it will always be good. The best part about Big Bird is that he's so big and he's 8.5 inches long, and I don't think anyone should make Big Bird be a bad person anytime soon. But hey, that's the internet for you, and on the internet, cultures are king. Thank you all so very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Stay up to your day with all your favorite cultures. Make sure you check the first episode of Look at That Culture. Happy 2nd anniversary, and I'll see you guys next time. Making more videos. Hope you like it.